impromptu Friday night cooking. We are experimenting with our deep fryer. We're trying to make corn dogs. This was our first try. It just kind of fell off. It didn't work very good. And this is Jiffy cornmeal, which doesn't seem to be working really well. So now we're going old school. Raw ingredients. We got cornmeal flour, but we're out of sugar, baking powder, salt,
buttermilk,
egg, and honey.
oil, and honey. And I'm adding extra honey because we ran out of sugar.
Because we have no sugar. This was just an impromptu play with the deep fryer, so this was not really scheduled. We made some French fries successfully though. We made curly fries. I took a picture of them. I'll show you that. But we have animal style or animal In-N-Out animal sauce. If we can manage the batter, we got these little mini hot dogs that we want to try. But we're not having very good luck right now.
See?
Okay. Oh, geez. Lisa has dripped on her chest, on the floor.
On the dog.
On the dog. I have... Are you supposed to pour that in the dry?
I guess.
You guess. You're reading the instructions.
Does it say?
Whisk together the dry ingredients. Whisk together wet ingredients. Combine wet and dry ingredients together. So yeah. You're making a batter, so it makes sense to mix them together.
Oh, the honey's all
That's
on
okay.
the bottom now.
That's all right. You can always add more. Just mix it up. At this point, we're just experimenting. What else would you do with your Friday night?
I don't know. Sit and read a book.
Yeah, right. You read a book?
I would if I had time. I'm assuming that this is supposed to be lumpy.
So, whisk to combine, pour batter into a glass, put corn dog straight down in batter, give it a twirl, fully coat, and then drop it in an angle for 3 minutes. So it's the same technique we did with the Jiffy, but we made our own. If this doesn't work, pour that into a pan and bake it. Make cornbread, because that's basically what you made. You made cornbread. What are you doing?
I don't know. Something tastes funny. Like well, it's not sweet enough, so.
Add more honey. It's not sweet. I would add more honey. Whoa. I can taste the buttermilk.
Yeah, that's probably what I'm tasting that I'm not. It's a little tangy.
All right, add more, because we didn't have a 1/4 cup of sugar. We have confectioner's sugar, but you said that's a bad idea.
I think that's a bad idea. I mean, there is a tiny bit of sugar in here. No, Thomas, don't.
Why?
Because it.
How much is in there? All right, I threw a little powdered sugar, and she had, I don't know, about 1/8 cup of regular sugar. What?
It's sweet now.
Is it?
I don't like the way that tastes.
It is sweet. All right, let's dip our wieners in there and fry them up. Bill be doing it. All right, so it says stick it straight in.
Did you dry it off first?
Twirl, yes. Twirl it around and twirl it as you pull it out. It doesn't look like it's sticking to the dog.
Put it in the oil. Are you supposed to coat it more than once?
Babe, I'm flying by the seat of my pants here. Oh, it's not working. And my fingers are awfully close to this hot oil. It doesn't look like it's falling off as much as it did on the last one.
Well, you can't grab the stick now.
No, well I can, but I was gonna use tweezers. Because I'm gonna wanna, don't film me, film the dog. The dog is the, what are you doing?
I'm filming the dog.
All right, it's actually sticking a little bit better. I almost drank this. All right, well, it said 3 minutes, so until golden brown.
I've set a timer.
How does that look?
Better?
Think that's done?
Yeah, let's give it a try.
All right, let's try it. Let's lay it down and we'll wait for it to cool. All right. You want to bite it?
No, it's too hot.
Should we put mustard on it?
You don't put mustard on a corn dog, do
Of
you?
course you do.
I don't know. The face is saying it tastes good.
What?
I said your face is saying that it tastes good.
Yeah.
Is it hot?
No, it's not.
He always lies to me.
I do not. Put your tongue on it. It's not hot.
It's hot.
Oh my God. Just bite it.
It tastes like a corn dog.
It does taste like a corn dog. Yeah. You want the rest of it?
No, you can have it.
And for my final trick tonight, I'm going to attempt to deep fry one of these apple turnovers. I'm not sure what's going to happen, but we're going to find out. Yeah, that'll work. That'll fry up real nice, and they're frozen, which is perfect. I just don't know how long to fry it for. All right. I'll give it 1 minute and I'll look at it. It's definitely starting to brown. It's only been in there for about a minute. So we're gonna let it go till it turns golden. That's my goal. But look how it's puffing up here. All right, I think this might be a success. If it doesn't break and leak all over, I think this will work out. All right, well here it is. Deep fried apple.
Turnover.
Ow, hot. Turnover. So I'm gonna let this cool a little bit, but that came out pretty good, babe. Look how golden it is and crispy.
Yeah, I know, but hopefully it's not frozen inside.
Whoa, hot. It was in there quite a while. All right, we're gonna let it cool and then we're gonna find out. Okay, well, it's warm, but it's cool enough to eat. Oh, wow. That's perfect. It's crispy. It's light.
Is it hot?
Not at all.
It looks oily.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I like it. That concludes Friday night's experimenting.
Friday night fry fest.
I'm Frier Buck, and this is my kitchen.
Our kitchen.
Whose kitchen? Buck's kitchen.